Civic. I'm flossing in my Civic, my Civic, my Civic. I'm riding in my.
Yeah, I see we back in the lab. The Riga done move. The Riga done move. She look like she set on kill already. He said not yet. And you got the C10 sitting on them 6s. I know I'm over here with my brother from another, Cortez. I'm saying he got another one in here. Shout bed shouted. Shout bed C10. They came to get that work. Work has been done. Just tidying up some fuel stuff here.
Yeah, it's the last jump. What can I say about this one? Yeah, using janky ass 86 C10 gas tank, but I'm gonna put a electronic fuel pump in it. It doesn't have a baffle. Not my problem, not my truck. So if you do this, you can do it. Just don't run your shit on E or below a 4-quart tank. No. Because it's just gonna slosh, you're gonna run out of gas. Other than that, you're good.
Yeah. And you might burn up your pump.
Yeah, you may burn your pump. You know
and
what?
Then you have to drop it again.
Not me, not this guy.
Somebody might have to drop it.
You may have good conditions and you want a shortcut and short change and take some bullshit routes or whatever else, because you seen a video on YouTube that said you can't get away with it. Yeah, you can. But there's issues, there's warning signs, there's caution signs, there's...
I don't know what video he saw. It wasn't me. I ain't tell you could get away with that. Do it right. You ain't gotta fool with it no more.
And then buy the right pump. I don't know what this is. This is
that's for the center unit?
Yeah, this is a 4-prong.
Yeah, it's got a big ass.
It's got 2 vents, 1 cylinder.
See, you use this if you're trying to get 800 horsepower.
Yeah. Hey, infants might need this motherfucker, man. You know what I'm saying? But other than that, I don't know, man. Whatever. I'm putting it together right now. I had to cut it, make it shorter. I'm putting it together with the Kimzo pump and what I can give you advice on, if you're going to use this right here, and you don't want to use the bucket here to throw away, you want your heat shrink. Don't use regular heat shrink. Use marine heat shrink. It says on there oil and water or something. I thought it did. Yeah, see that right there? Seals the salt, water, oil, acids, or whatever else. So it's in regular heat shrink. Yeah. So you can feel safe with just freaking solder these 2 wires together and put heat shrink on there, or the marine shrink on there for Harbor Freight, and be good to go. You know what I mean?
Guy came in the other day, hey, y'all got marine heat shrink? No, sir, we don't. But you can go to Harbor Freight. That's where I get my marine heat shrink from.
How long was it down, man? Matter of fact, I didn't put that other shit away I had, the regular one, so I can't even show you the regular. I was gonna do a test for y'all.
The regular degular.
We don't carry that brand over here.
All marine, baby.
We don't carry that brand over here. I'm like, y'all, 5.3 LS, 5.3 LS swap 2000, I think it's 2004 motor. With the new body style intake. Same thing y'all seen, same recipe or whatever else. The last ones I got loom up is the ones on the back right there going to starters. The starter wire and then the ignition wire, switch wire. Other than that, this is the other fuse block right here from JY Performance. Their upgraded version, and it has the AC, fan 1, fan 2, feel, all that stuff, everything else. I have no idea what the hell that one is right there. I think it's ignition.
Yeah, ignition relay.
But why does it have an L?
I think that's an N. Like they couldn't get the O to fit on the first line, so they just put the N on it.
Ignition, whatever.
That's like they did the other one. They said PUM and then just put the P in the end.
Yeah, they ain't fucking up. But anyway, Anyways, this is only a $57 fuse block, man. The color codes on it don't coordinate with whatever else like on there. They're small when they had, so you gotta like open it up and then trace the wires down and figure out what goes to the fans. That's what we're about to see. About to figure it out, but other than that though, $57. I mean, you can't beat it. Nothing wrong with that. That's the O2 sensor, goes down in there. Alright, the truck. Other than that, running the cast iron LS3 style manifolds on this thing here. As always, same recipe. Did the wiring to it, the wiring harness, whatever else these are going inside. This one here goes to the fuel pump itself once I get it hooked up. And these here go inside to the OBD2, which I'll loom up along with the wire here. That's the old distributor wire going to the ignition switch power wire here. They'll get loomed up. And then those over there, I'll go to AC. I ain't gonna molest that or touch that because I don't know if he's going AC or not. So leaving those there. Other than that, that's it. She's in there. She doesn't have a transmitter right now. I'm waiting on old boy to bring some parts to me today, which I've been waiting on for the last 3 weeks since I had this damn truck. Could have been gone last week if I had my parts, but whatever. We won't get into all that. The only thing I'm missing right now is the spacer. I got an LS1 pump on here, but I bought the wrong spacers. Those are the 0.7 inch spacers and the 1.5 inch spacers. Why the thing isn't all the way flush with the crank. This will work for a car setup, but this is a truck. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Truck crank. So, but those should be in tomorrow. And my goal and objective in life is to stay fired up one way or the other. Whether this mystery ass fucking singing works or not tomorrow, or tonight or tomorrow, or whatever or not. Got old faithful inline we put on here, put in a damn gas tank. And
make it do what it do.
As long as it fires, all I'm here is ching ching, like Cash App hitting your phone. You know what I mean? That's all I want to hear. I want to hear it fire up and running. That's yeah.
Inline pump will take you some brake cleaner.
Yeah.
Spray it in there.
Yeah.
I'll come out here. I'll spray the brake fluid, and he can turn the motor over, and I'll keep. No, you can use brake fluid too.
I ain't trying that.
It works. I can't tell you how. I personally know it works. I can't tell you what I used it on because
it's flammable.
That's an exclusive.
It's flammable, so I'm sure it does work.
Oh yeah.
So
got that little bit of.
Other than that, yeah, just I don't know, wrenching.
Another one, man.
Getting tired of wrenching now.
Time to enjoy it. Ready to enjoy the fruits.
Well, I'm ready to finish my own shit up. Besides trying to get sidetracked with these little hustle projects with great promises that turn out to be some bullshit. But anyway, we're gonna get it fired up. We're gonna get it running. We're gonna get out of here. Then get mine in. Other than that, my compressor just died, so now I can't paint it. I bought the paint. I got the paint in the box on the shelf up there, ready to go. And my compressor died yesterday. Don't buy a Husky. Don't buy a Husky.
Don't buy a Husky.
Second one in 6 months. I'm not shocked. I don't run the thing 24 hours a day or whatever else and stuff. Right now, I turned on. The motor was smoking, man. I don't know if it's a damn fuse inside there or what. I let it cool off. I changed the oil again on it, but it was full of oil. Oil wasn't a problem. If it's an oil problem, that would have been on the damn, this side here, on the damn tower side. You know what I'm saying? The oil and shit. The damn motor was smoking. So I don't know what made the motor smoke. So, I don't know. Sad. So sad.
Come on, Husky. Y'all gotta do better than that.
Yeah, they gotta do way better than that, man.
The DIY guys should be able to definitely put that thing through its paces.
Yeah. I mean, I can go buy another damn, I don't know what that would be, like $120 freaking pump. And right now I don't have a truck again to take it to the, take that back to Home Depot to change it out. My warranty, I had a 2-year warranty on it. And I just changed it out now 6 months ago, but does that start over? I don't know. I don't know. It's a sad day, yo.
Hard out here for a pimp.
Sad. Other than that, Budweiser's cold in Texas. LS swap still going down.
Still going down. Yeah, it's really been cooling off. So that's been good.
And right now it's prime painting weather too, man.
Yeah.
I was excited, bro. got my paint. I was like, ooh, about to do it. About to do it. He was like, yeah, I
Not today, no.
My advice is the hardest thing, man, is don't take on too many projects at one time.
Yeah.
And it gets overwhelming, it's confusing. Or whatever. Both these here are running dry, but there's still a lot of bugs out there. I got the gauges in. I still ain't wired them up yet, but they're in there now where they need to be at. I built the. See, I don't see that yet, bro.
Oh yeah, I was gonna tell you. So yesterday, my little eBay thing go out. Ding! So Ren Busan was back in the office, and they sent me a tracking number. So.
Oh, your gauge?
Yeah, for my gauges and my oil sending unit. So
Yeah.
I should have that here next week or so. So that'll be coming along, and then I gotta finish accumulating
Little parts.
yeah, everything else for the that we gonna need for it. Now, what is that on the dashboard?
That's the repair that rip I had in there when I pulled it out, dropped it, and scrapped it. So I put the Buick sign there, and then I got the newer model Regal sign here. It's got oil on the shit, so I clean it up and whatever else. But the middle ones are done. How I'm gonna have them for now, and then the other ones are all in there. Everything's good to go with that shit. So I mean, then clean this. These are the wires here up. These are for like lights. The orange and white ones are for like lights.
Oh yeah.
Lights with the brown one here's for the heater switch. And then that one there, what the fuck that's for? And I'm pulling these here out. I'll cut them and pull them back through the firewall for the old computer.
Oh yeah, for the old computer.
Yeah. And then I still gotta push that dash up. I can't push it up until I cut that heater box. The heater box right now is what's gonna stop it from making it go flush up front.
Yeah.
So, because it's right there. But if you look at the heater control switch, that's where it's gonna go at. It works out great. In the middle, just ain't got bolted there to it yet, but in that same spot. It works out fucking great. Everything else is it's looking good, man. It's just coming along, but my attention and time has been going toward this damn stupid ass fucking short bed over here for the last 3 weeks now, 2.5 weeks, but should have been gone last week. And I'm very aggravated about it, but I'm gonna get her out of here. She's gonna be those, she's gonna be ghosts.
Get them one and done.
Throw this damn house key away on camera, man. I keep saying that.
Like we did not, sir.
Yeah, here goes this house key, man, or some kind of key. There it is. It's in the trash. I don't have it no more. No, I'm out of it.
If anybody gets it from here, you might want to contact the Coppers Cove landfill.
Yeah. Other than that, y'all, rock with it, man. C10, it's still C10. I'm doing shit that either. I gotta replace the gearbox on that. It's got a leak on the gearbox on it. Had the part. I ain't got no damn room to do it because there's always something down over here, man. Damn sure them was damn Nightmare Hill.
That's how my damn that spot in my garage stayed with something in there, but
Other than that, still haven't got no boost process, no progress. The boost is still on the shelf. Well, everything went back on the shelf. It's still sitting right there. I'm gonna tell you what happened with the boost thing. So I was spying on Swat's videos, and he had a manifold log. When I got on there, on an A-body, he said it didn't fit. I got highly discouraged.
damn.
Highly discouraged, man. So I'm waiting on you, Swaps.
Hey, waiting on you, Swaps, and I'm waiting on him for these injectors. Try to see what they gonna do.
It's the same fucking thing, man. So, but it's gonna hit the damn where the cause like on the ones I use the LS3 style, they tuck in tighter. Yeah. This here is for a Silverado truck swap manifold log kit. They're not rust. These were brand new like this right here, but I got water on them and spraying in my garage with water and shit, so it rusted. But anyways, though, they're brand new. But this is gonna hit the damn brake looser valve. Or the what's it called, the portion valve?
Oh yeah.
So yeah, he's talking about cutting his off and re-welding, angling and shit, and I was like, I don't like welding. So I don't know. This may end up going in the damn C10. I don't know what's gonna go in. It's gonna go into something. Cause I ain't cutting the weld and shit. This is the crossover pipe that came with it. Or whatever. And that's definitely gonna hit when I bolt it together with that. This is a damn Gen 4 harness shell. Don't worry. But yeah. So I don't know. We'll see how he overcomes his little stumbling block.
Right.
And we'll progress.
That means we tuned in, Swaps. We waiting.
I didn't take this walk. I just watched it hit the like button. I didn't say a damn word.
Waiting for you to show us the way, man. Oh, Whistle Game Master. Whistle Game Master, show us the way.
Shit, we got anybody. I got anybody. I mean, I could push the motor forward some more to make it clear the brake booster. Then I have to get not booster, but the portion valve. Then I get another longer drive shaft or whatever else, and blah blah. And I ain't gonna do all that shit.
Yeah. That shit can add up real quick.
So I know it'll fit in a damn C10. I just gotta raise it up. And then my plan for that, if I do put it in the C10, is using these LSX innovation mounts, because they'll raise it up that 1/4 inch I need in order for those manifolds to clear on that. So these are like free spacers. Oh, the ICT, never mind. Yeah, free spacers. Yeah, ICT. Yeah. Free spacers.
I ain't got no code for them. So.
Yeah. Same thing though. They're aluminum, but if you use the aluminum ones alone, they're only up to 400 horsepower or whatever else. But yeah, that's just a spacer, so I ain't worried about it.
But you know, LSX Innovation makes steel ones.
They do make steel ones.
Just if you're going for high horsepower games. But we'll tear up ICTs first.
Yeah. See what happens. Other than that, y'all have a great day. Cut the grass. Other than that, that's about it, man.
Another
Ain't
day.
nothing else to say. Sad day.
Another day in the lab.
I'm trying to get this thing out of here.
Getting it done.
Almost there. She should have been gone like today. But I got like 2 more days and she'll be gone. Once I figure out this mystery with the gas tank shit, with this mystery ass SIN unit, which I think should work in theory. Once I get fired to her, she's out of here. She's gone. She's done. But it was someone he wanted me to panic. Can't do it. Pressure broke.
Yeah.
And I don't want to do it anymore. So, whatever. Other than y'all,
Sure.
I'm out.
Yeah, you heard it here first. Another LS7 Rider 2x4 Cortez exclusive. So as always, identify your weaknesses, make your strengths. Life is all about choices, choose wisely, and productivity over procrastination. And remember, the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Don't